How to find someone on Snapchat without username or number. First thing first, tap on the Snapchat application to launch it. And once you launch your application, what you need to do is, in order to find new friends or find new people, you just have to tap on the plus icon at the top right. Just tap on the add friend icon. And then from here, what you can do is tap on this all contacts option, because if you don't know the username, then you cannot use this search feature on Snapchat. But what you can do is find your people from your contacts. So you could just tap on this all contacts option and click on continue. And once you've done that, you're going to allow the contacts option on Snapchat. And once that is done, your people from contacts will be shown right here. But if you send them a friend request, then I think Snapchat will tell them that you've added them through your contact list, and they're most probably going to accept it as well. So that's how you can find new people on Snapchat without a username or number. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.